Well, we are going to start the Daytona build. What we are doing with this car is we're going to pull the engine out because my daughter last year drifting it. All right, punch it. We think we lost a wrist pin, not 100% sure. And then we're gonna build a drift car out of it. We're gonna pull the rear glass out, put a radiator back here, because this car's always had an issue with overheating. You're probably wondering why we're washing it before we take it to the shop, because we don't want it all muddy. I mean, it was literally muddy. From the last couple of times it was driven we were doing donuts in a dirt parking lot, so there was mud everywhere. So we want to wash it up, clean it up before we start wrenching on it. So we're going to pull the motor out of it. We're going to put a hydro e-brake in it. I mean, the whole nine. We're going full drift on this thing. It's going to be a fun car. Now, Shane, reset the torque.
Big dumb bitch close up. Close up of a big dumb bitch.
Well, we are pulling the engine, well, we're starting to pull the engine apart. And we brought her because she's the one that blew the engine up. So we have to get her all... Anyways, so she is looking for gloves. They look kind of loose, so you need them to be kind of tight so that you can feel the nuts and the bolts that you're grabbing.
So, well then where's the small?
Medium. We need lights. We got lights so that we could see what we're doing, and we got tape so that we could mark everything, and we also got pens so that the pens we can write where everything goes. We got Ziploc bags so we can put all of our nuts and bolts in the bags so we don't lose them. I'm trying to be organized right here.
The most organized he's ever been.
Ever. All right, we are starting the teardown of the Daytona. That's because she blew the motor up doing the donuts. We'll cut to that. We're back. All right, so we're gonna pull the motor out of it. This car right here, I'm pretty excited about this. It's one of my favorite cars. It's just so rowdy and raw and visceral. There's so many cool things about this car. And so it's fitting that this car has this next journey that will be a full-blown drift car. I want to be able to take it out to events, take people for rides in it. We're gonna throw another radiator in the back of it, get some really good airflow. I'm gonna turn this thing into a real drift car slash burnout car that I can really beat on. Right now it's just got this little baby radiator in it. It just gets so hot every time we would take it out to do any donuts or burning out. So that's the plan for the Daytona. First things first, we need to get the engine out of it. We're gonna do hydro e-brakes. We're going the whole nine. And here we go. Okay, so this is very important, and that's why you put all the numbers on it, so we'll know how to put it all back together. Oh, you can just write it right on this white part. That's what that's for. Carb nuts. Where are you doing this?
I don't know.
Get over here and do it. Walk around. She's too lazy to walk around the front of the car. What way are you spinning it? You're tightening it. Going the wrong direction. Lefty loosey, righty tighty. So last night we were here working on the car and all of our cameras died. So we had to stop working on the car. We are back. This is night number 2. As you can see, we hadn't gotten very far before our cameras died. So right now she's pulling the alternator wire off. It's a 1-wire alternator. So what kind of the way I prefer them. She's pulled the alternator wire off. We just took the coolant lines off the block or the intake manifold and the water pump. Then we're gonna pull our headers off and we'll just have to get the transmission bolt. We're getting close. Won't take much longer. Look at her handwriting.
It's hard to write your notes.
Are you not helping?
I am your father.
No.
The fuck you mean? Nah.
It doesn't feel like you're helping at all. You're the worst help ever.
Okay, we're doing it. Oh my god.
It's like a sweat bandit. It's like Rambo. She's like Rambo. Go get the. Here, keep getting the header bolts out of it. Wait a second. Why am I doing this?
Okay.
Nice hair.
I just got it done.
Wow. You must be an old lady.
Oh, okay, but we don't need to go there.
What? It's white.
She definitely looks old.
How do you not look old? You do.
I hate your hair, by the way.
I kind of like it.
Even though I literally copied her look.
Excuse me. I don't have white hair. I have blonde hair. I mean, like, look.
It's so white.
It's blonde.
All that in here.
Which bag is that? It's not labeled. Oh my.
Oh man.
And I got the return, so hee hee.
We'll have to buy a new alternator now. Will we get done? That it? All right, so we got the exhaust headers off. We got the alternator off. We got the power steering pump off. What else did we get? I already said that. Exhaust manifolds. We're getting really close, honestly. We have ground wires, motor mounts, and transmission mounts, and a starter. That's literally it. So we're talking motor mounts, one on each side, ground wire, starter, and transmission bolts, and the motor comes out. I would say, what, maybe like 2 hours worth of work?
Yeah.
2 hours worth of work. We broke it up into a few nights. Like we worked about a half an hour last night. Maybe, actually not even 2 hours. Honestly, probably like an hour's worth of time so far. Well, thanks for watching. We will see you tomorrow. We'll be back up here working on it again tomorrow.